Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are talking about hidden deck problems, the issues you do not always see at first glance, but that can turn into expensive repairs if you ignore them. A deck can look okay on top while the structure underneath is weakening. So let's start at the ground. Walk around your deck and look at the posts and footings. Are posts straight and plumb, or do they lean? Do you see concrete footings, or are posts disappearing directly into the soil? Is the soil washing away after rain, leaving gaps around the bases? These are early signs the foundation might be moving or staying too wet. Moisture is a big enemy. If wood stays wet against soil or trapped under the deck, rot is not far behind. Check where posts meet the ground and where the deck meets the house. Soft, spongy areas, dark staining, or visible rot are red flags. If you push a screwdriver into the wood and it sinks in easily, that is not just surface weathering. Now step onto the deck and pay attention to how it feels. Do certain spots squeak, feel bouncy, or sag when a few people stand together? That can mean joists are undersized, damaged, or pulling loose from their supports. Look at the connection where the deck attaches to the house. Loose bolts, rusted hardware, or missing flashing can let water into both the deck and the home framing. Next, test the railings and stairs. Grab the railing and pull gently. It should feel firm, not wobbly or soft. Walk up and down the stairs and see if they move or feel uneven. Loose posts, cracked treads, or shaky steps are more than annoying. They are safety issues that need attention. Often the problem is weak connections or missing blocking that a builder can address before it becomes a bigger repair. Fasteners tell a story too. Look for screws backing out, nails popping up, and plates or hangers that are rusting or missing. When metal hardware fails, it can lead to sudden structural problems even if the wood looks okay. This is one reason periodic inspection is so important, especially on older decks. Surface materials matter, but they do not tell the whole story. A composite surface like Trex can stay good-looking for years, but if the framing underneath was never built right, you can still have trouble. That is why when we evaluate a deck, we look past the boards and check the posts, beams, and joists first. If you are not sure what you are seeing, it is worth having a professional look at the structure. At Tough Deck Builders San Jose, we check the whole system: footings, posts, beams, joists, fasteners, and flashing. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuildersanjose.com to schedule a review and talk about what should be repaired, reinforced, or replaced. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. If your deck has soft spots, movement, or just feels off, reach out to Tough Deck Builders San Jose for a clear assessment before small issues turn into major repairs.